Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix LinkedIn account temporarily restricted recover fast. First of all, check your restriction reason. Open LinkedIn and read the message. It usually explains why your account was restricted. Next, verify your identity. Go ahead and go to settings and then verify your identity. Confirm your email, phone number, and upload a valid ID if required. After that, do not log in from multiple devices. Use automation tools or send too many connection requests online while restricted. Privacy tip: only provide verification information through the official LinkedIn app or the website to avoid phishing. Quick fix: if restriction persists, clear Safari cache settings, Safari, clear history and website data, restart your iPhone and try logging in again. Contact LinkedIn support for faster account recovery. And that's it. Subscribe